The passion of flamenco dance. A dance of fire and soul. In the narrow streets of Seville, the air is electric with rhythm. Night falls, and the sound of clapping hands fills the space. Dancers in colorful dresses take the stage. Their feet beat the floor like thunder. This is flamenco, a dance that tells stories of love, pain, and joy. Flamenco is more than a dance. It is a vibrant expression of culture. It comes from the Andalusian region of Spain, where the sun shines brightly and the nights are full of music. The dancers move with passion, each step revealing deep emotions. It is a dance that makes you feel alive. The origins of flamenco. The roots of flamenco are rich and complex. This art form began over 200 years ago. It grew from the blending of many cultures. Spanish, Gypsy, and Moorish influences all come together. Each group brought its own music and styles, making flamenco unique. Originally, flamenco was a way for people to share their feelings. It was not a show for tourists. It was something personal. Families gathered to sing and dance. It was a celebration of life. In these small gatherings, the spirit of flamenco was born. The heart of flamenco, music and dance. Flamenco music is powerful and emotional. It features guitar, singing, and hand claps. The guitar guides the dance with its strong rhythms. Singers express their feelings, sharing tales of love and heartbreak. As the music plays, dancers move, in time with the beat. Their feet create a quick rhythm on the floor. The sound is like a heartbeat echoing across the room. This connection between music and dance is what makes flamenco special. More than just steps. Flamenco is not just about steps. It is about telling a story. Each movement has meaning. The hands might be raised high to show strength, or the arms may flow like water. The face of the dancer tells the audience what they feel. Did you know that many people think flamenco only for women? This is a big misconception. Men also play a vital role in flamenco. Their powerful dance shows strength and pride. It's true that both men and women express themselves beautifully. The costumes of flamenco. Costumes in flamenco are colorful and eye-catching. Women often wear long dresses with ruffles. These dresses swirl beautifully when they dance. Men usually wear dark trousers, a tight shirt, and a jacket. Accessories such as shawls and hats add extra flair. The costumes are not just for show. They help tell the story. Each dress and outfit has its own character. The bright colors reflect the joy of dancing. The way the fabrics move adds to the overall performance. Flamenco around the world. Flamenco has traveled far beyond Spain. It can be seen in many countries today. From Japan to Argentina, dance schools teach the art of flamenco. Many people love the passion and spirit of this dance. Festivals celebrate flamenco in different places. In cities like New York and London, dancers gather to perform. These events bring people together to share in the excitement of flamenco. The dance keeps growing, reaching new hearts. The future of flamenco. Flamenco is alive and well in today's world. Young dancers are experimenting with the art. They mix flamenco with other styles like ballet and hip-hop. This brings new life to traditional moves, creating exciting performances. These changes might surprise many. What if traditional flamenco was not the only way to dance? New influences can create fresh experiences. In this way, the art continues to evolve while honoring its roots. A personal connection to flamenco. Have you ever felt compelled to dance? When you hear those fast guitar strings and claps, try to remember a moment when you felt so excited that you wanted to show it through movement. Flamenco is about that feeling. It's about making a connection. Whether you dance or just watch, flamenco invites everyone to feel something special. It captures the heart and shines a light on emotions. When people come together, the magic of flamenco is alive. What is your favorite dance style? Do you have memories of dancing or enjoying music? Share your thoughts and stories.